The recommended dose of creatine is 5 grams a day, but what if you multiplied that by 20? And took it every single day? This is what would realistically happen. Creatine is one of the most researched supplements on the planet, and almost everyone in the gym has taken it. And because of that, a lot of people assume more is better. A lot of people imagine that if you took 20 times the normal dose, you'd get 20 times the results. That's not how this works. Your muscles can only hold so much creatine. Once they're saturated, anything extra doesn't turn into muscle. It just gets wasted. So let's break it down. On day 1, you'd probably feel fine. Your muscles might feel a little fuller. The scale might go up slightly from water weight. By day 50, the benefits are long gone. Your muscles have been saturated for weeks, but you're still flooding your body with creatine every day. That's when bloating becomes constant, your stomach feels permanently full, and your face starts looking puffy. Workouts don't feel better, you just feel heavier and uncomfortable. And by day 100, there is no upside left at all. No extra muscle, no extra strength, just chronic bloating, digestive issues, dehydration risk, and unnecessary stress on your kidneys. The craziest part is this: creatine works because the dose is small, boring, and consistent. 5 grams a day isn't exciting, but it works. 100 grams a day isn't hardcore, it's just pointless risk. If you want more breakdowns like this where fitness myths get taken way too far, hit subscribe, and maybe don't experiment on yourself.